In October last year, Mr. Beast invited us to participate in a project called TEAMTREES.
Every dollar donated, they will plant a tree. Watch.
By the time this video comes out, it will have far surpassed its original goal of planting 20 million trees to help save the environment. This video was made to help that cause, but we couldn't begin without addressing something much closer to home. Australia is on fucking fire. Over 500 million animals have died and over 12 million acres of land is burning. This is our home. If you want to help, you can donate to a multitude of causes, a few of which we link down in the description below. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you go shade, it could never harm
me. We're going camping! Woohoo!
Short slag? I'm gonna peer pressure, J slag. Why are you zooming into me? You're gonna have to blur this. Here, it's healthy for you.
What's in there?
It's premium cigar tobacco. It'll give you such a buzz, my friend.
So what the fuck is it on the inside?
Oh, that?
Yeah.
That's my friend Joe.
Joe?
Yeah, Joe Mama. I'm sorry, man.
You're bringing skinning knife? Yeah, put it in my bag. That's sweet. We're gonna be skinning Carson.
Don't tell Carson. But we're skinning him tonight.
They're skinning me tonight. They're gonna make a Carson rug.
He doesn't know what's gonna hit him.
You know what they call a Carson rug?
What?
A krug.
You know how to get all the meat?
They call it a krug.
It's a krug.
Yeah, to hang it up and let the ants eat it out.
Chad's driving.
Chad's driving?
Chad is not driving.
He crashed the fucking van last time. He's not fucking driving.
Yeah, well these things apparently kill more kids than guns.
Someone say guns? Guns are fucking
They don't
sick.
because we banned the water.
Wait, don't you have a license, Cam?
I do.
Then why aren't you driving?
Because I don't want to.
Go with me, boys. Welcome back to the family channel. Is this the drug guy?
Who that?
The drug dealer?
He's so well put together. Is that his car?
Can someone put these somewhere?
I can't get my toothbrush.
I come prepared.
Really?
Yeah, I got you.
Wait, what the fuck? I'm an alcoholic, as if I would not bring alcohol with me. Everywhere I go, I carry just bottles of alcohol that I steal from hotels. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Misfits camping vlog. Oh, and Goop.
And me.
And me. Can you hold my alcohol real quick?
Yo guys, what's good? We're in the camper van right now. We're about to go on a mad fucking camping trip. It's gonna be scuffed. We've got about an hour and a half drive. And when we get there, we're gonna be pitching tents and shit. It's gonna be fucking hectic. We've got grog, we're all good to go. We're fucked.
You are such a good vlogger. Are you straight out here getting lit, bro?
We're getting lit.
Give me a sip of that. I love Canadian Dry, please. Thanks, bro.
That's mine. Everything in a car, because you can't drink and drive, is designed to avoid it.
Oh yeah.
Has anyone got a bottle opener?
Open sesame. Okay. Oh yeah, I need a 6-pack.
These are all YouTubers, bro.
We do YouTube.
He's a fuckwit, though.
I'm a fuckwit. This guy. Can we have free drinks?
Hey, fuck off.
Oh.
You guys have
Holy shit.
What is happening? Oh, what's up, dude? We're famous at Bottle-O's worldwide, you know? I'm fanboying on the inside. Fuck, I better get back to work, eh? Fuck. Good meeting you, boys, bro. For real? There we go, bro. What happens when that melts, Chad, and it's sloshing around in the back?
It won't be melted by the time we get to the bottom of it.
It's freezing.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Have we lit?
How much do we get, Chad? Are you fucking joking?
I'm an alcoholic.
You're like the Ryan P of alcohol.
I said I'd look after your boots, but I've only got one of them.
What the fuck? Well, how many other one?
The other one's out the front.
I think it fell out the van.
You got both of my boots? Are they both here?
Got
both of my boots?
Well, I had both of them, and then the other one.
What the fuck? Where are we?
I've been reading Symposium by Plato.
Well, I really vibe with them saying that word.
No?
But
Shut up, bro.
When the cameras are off, you love it.
There's a part in the book where he talks about how much better society would be if.
Hey, Travis. Have you heard of SCUFFED.store? Have you been to SCUFFED.store? SCUFFED.store, where we're selling all sorts of merch.
Yeah, that's our new fucking store, Carson. And by the way, 100% of the profits from our new fire and rescue shirt go towards charities helping combat the Australian fires. Because everything's burning. Everything is on fire.
It's actually so fucked. Shit is burning left, right, and center.
That's right, Mason. So do your part. Go to scuff.store today.
Fitz, are we gonna die?
It's not funny when I cry. It's sad.
Cry.
I'm not gonna cry.
Cry.
Cry, you bitch. I can't cry with them there. Who is this cunt? When I said I was gonna beat the shit out of you at PAX, I didn't mean it. Thanks, man. I didn't think you would. I would never do such a thing. Is that good? Fucking great. I'll do some dialogue, ready? Yeah, man, the boys down at the farm. Have a couple horses out back. You know what it is. We got Shirls is down there. She's out there planting crops and shit. Okay. I'm fucked.
Man, we really fucked this planet up, bro. That is so lit. Imagine the whole world like that, bro.
Moment of silence for Mother Earth, real quick. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Because cunts get stabbed in Geelong, bro.
Yeah, we know, but why do you keep saying that?
Because cunts are talking about stabbing cunts now, and I'm like scared and shit because cunts will stab me.
Don't worry, Mason. The only kind of person that's gonna hurt you down here is maybe a cow. Everyone else is gonna offer you a place to stay.
You wanna go cow tipping tonight?
That's not a thing.
Wait, can we actually skin a
It's
cow?
not. You cannot fucking tip a cow. They get back up.
You ever seen I feel like I'm dreaming right now. This conversation is so surreal.
You don't. You cannot tip cows. They can stand back up.
Right here, pull over.
I'll tip a cow right now.
Pull over!
Please obey all traffic regulations.
Can I pull over? I want to see Mason try to tip a cow. And you will get a rib broken. They kick.
This cunt doesn't think I won't tip a cow. I'll fucking tip one.
You will die.
I will not die, bro. I'll full tip a cow right now.
You cannot tip cows.
You have to wait till nighttime like Cars 1, go out in the field and tip that fucking cow.
That is a movie about where people are cars. That is not accurate.
Alright.
This is reckless driving.
Reckless. What happens if I just like brake on this dirt road? Will we skid?
Handbrake, handbrake.
I think I shit myself. Yes, I'm gonna spill my drink. Take it slowly. That was bullet holes. They'd been shooting at it.
Where the fuck are we?
Cows.
We're tipping, boys.
Oh. My drink, bro. Don't spill it, man. I'm talking.
Where are we going?
Oh my nuts.
Can someone put their seatbelt on?
Oh shit, that's me, my bad.
Alright, it's irresponsible.
Sorry, man.
Uh-oh. They don't know how to get to us.
Oh my god!
Fucking getting fucking carrots for the horses and that.
This is my voice 5 minutes in the countryside.
Everyone chill.
Oh my god, I'm actually scared. They're
Roll
huge.
the windows.
Wait,
Move your fucking cunt!
that bitch is squaring you up, running over, bro.
Fucking move, you dog!
Who the fuck would live out here?
Us apparently.
Hell yeah.
I bought alcohol. not doing that drive sober, bro. Oh man, I need to pee. Nature is our toilet, right? Oh hell yeah.
Oh, welcome donut. I've been driving for so... So is this the fucking Airbnb?
You like that?
Airbnb's gonna be down in that paddock.
Oh, there's nothing down there.
Where the fuck are we?
Oh, hi.
Home sweet home.
Why am I driving? I'm like 7 drinks deep.
I can drive if you want.
Officer, I ain't nothing. Oh my god! Damn! Oh my god!
Sit around, kids, go fucking fine, mate. Over that way, mate? No worries.
Oh no!
Where do we park?
Oh, we come on the beach.
Righto. No worries then. You out for drinking, mate?
I swear, officer, man, I just had a drink with lunch, bro. Come
looks
on.
like you've had a couple drinks with lunch, mate.
Nah, man, just 2, bro. Breath on me, man.
Breathe into this.
See, man, only 2 standard drinks, bro.
It's completely fucked.
Do not jump the fence, Mason. Mason!
Why did you say that?
Mason! Run! Mason, they're circling back. Run! Run, Mason!
My name's Mason, and this is cow hunting.
Don't actually. It actually looks brand new. It's probably not.
They just left.
Wait, they stranded us?
We gotta think logistically. Someone sets up camp, someone gets firewood, someone gets food.
I don't like who you point at for the firewood.
Someone has to be in charge of drinks, and I feel like that I would be a great fit for that.
Alright, he's got the van. Who
I got the drinks! I got the drinks! I don't think that's very safe.
I guess we gotta get food.
Well, then how do I keep... Are we gonna do fire
Don't
pit
aim
down
at
here?
anyone.
No, seriously.
I'm getting a little fever out here. I think I need to go back. This doesn't look like a tent. This is a fiesta.
A fiesta? Is that what this is, Travis?
That's what it says.
It's a fucking gazebo, bro. What the fuck are we supposed to do? Sleep under this shit?
I'm making sure that it works.
What for?
What for?
What for, buddy?
Yeehaw, partner. This ain't my first rodeo.
Carson, your seat.
Oh, what the fuck?
Fuck.
We should put it under the fiesta.
Yeah.
This is my job.
Come, Carson, come on.
You gotta experience nature. Come with me.
This is just not going smoothly. I don't know.
Freeze.
I'll skin you, Carson. I'll
Come on, man. Come help us get wood.
You have no idea how many rodeos he's been on.
This ain't my first
It's
rodeo.
not his first, let me tell you that much.
This video's about saving trees, not cutting them down, retard.
I'm saving you.
Chad, chuck this in.
Run,
Fuck, stay away from the fire.
There's a bomb!
I just want the axe. I'm gonna go fuck up a cow.
Give me my fucking lion back.
Or else?
Or else I'm gonna shoot you with my real gun.
It's not real. I don't know how to continue this bit because like it's airsoft. Quickly while he's not looking.
Oh, it's like I'm at the doctor.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. It's not a real gun.
It's not a real gun.
not-
And
I
so the
can't
bit
do
isn't
anything.
funny. Hey.
Whoa! What just happened up there?
Holy fucking...
I was convinced it wasn't gonna go up. Oh my god.
They need to stop getting distracted by whatever's happening over there. And get to work on this tent.
How's the tent setting up going?
It's we're almost there.
Well, I mean, you've got
It's not a real gun. It's
typical American.
not a
DVD.
real one.
DVD. I'll bust your ass, Carson.
Okay.
Yep. That right there is a buffalo.
But he died in a tragedy. No, don't waste it.
Eat it.
Eat
No,
it.
eat it. Eat it. Eat the cursed chocolate.
Do you think I'll get like superpowers?
Yeah, definitely.
How much?
That's
How
it
much?
works.
How much?
Superpower.
How much? Fucking freeze. Get on the video. Link in the description.
Got it.
Eat it.
It's the greatest content.
Oh!
Cursed.
He's now cursed.
Ew. Alright. You can't see me, but we're on the sausage quest right now. Where the fuck are these sausages, bro? No luck. I don't know where the sausages are. I'm getting hungry. I'm getting real fucking hungry. The sausages aren't anywhere to be seen. What are we doing? Where are we getting these sausages?
Get all the wood out of the back of bed so we can get the mattresses down before it starts raining again.
I'm on break.
What?
I'm on break.
No, get the wood out, come on.
Fuck!
Anyone else want a sausage?
Can we do like an edit in post where we cut from this awesome campfire and all the food back to them like rotting down there in the bush?
It is raining!
Alright, everyone shut the fuck up!
Listen, man, I found grog and I found fire. I wasn't moving, bruh.
Oh shit, it's gotten worse. Rain, rain, go away. Everyone get in the other tent.
Okay, I like it how all week it's been nice and shiny and not rainy. And we come here and it's pissing down rain.
I'm pissed as fuck. I'm so pissed right now eating fucking beans. Ah, they're fucking hot as. Mum.
Not a phone in sight.
I got a phone right here. Oh. Why would you do that?
Uh-oh. He's gone.
My
forever.
toe's cold.
Here I got you, I'll peg it.
I'll put my toes in my pocket.
It's so fucking wet in here.
I wonder why.
This one misfit stuff can sleep in there.
You hear that, Mitchell?
Oh, I got a hotel.
You have a hotel?
I mean, tent. How we going, Carson?
It's going good.
He pushed me away. Yeah, because you smell like cigarettes, you dog cunt.
Oh shit.
I'm going to sleep, boys.
Bye, Mason.
Oh, I'd say this is much more successful than our first camping trip.
This is much more camping than our first. It's around 9 p.m. I took edibles about an hour ago, and they're starting to hit me.
I forgot I had edibles too, actually.
You had edibles? Yeah. Do you feel them?
No, not
Do you want to look at the stars?
Maybe in like 10 to 15 minutes.
There's something about cooking on a fire that just makes anything taste better. Yeah. Okay, that sausage is on fire.
I'll take it, I'll take it.
Hey, does anyone want that chopped off sausage? I'll have it.
Cheers, brother.
Wait, hang on. It should be steaming very shortly. It's still a bit wet. Steaming? Am I on fire?
I'm actually kind of keeping to try the pie like in its current state. Looks like restaurant quality.
Alright, whose cooking level was too low? They burnt the pie, man.
Oh, fuck! He sat down in the chair. Fuck!
Why did you think we were holding him to the fire?
He sent a whole
Getting lit.
Can you open it?
Guys, look. Guys, look. Relax.
Look at my big nuts.
They're all floppy.
Delete that footage. Alright, who's showing their cup next? Come on. We're all boys in the cabin. Everyone's getting their cup out. Alright.
It's just cut the camera.
Mitchell, the chairs burned.
Who left the chairs in the fucking fire?
What, we were steaming them?
Dude, no, they're just face
all
first.
wet from the rain. Nice. Ah! Fuck, it's hot! Jesus!
Dude, the film sizzle.
Look at my fucking...
Yo, this one's melting. Dude, look, that one has a melted beer can in it.
Someone raining for like the last hour on it, off and on, and we're about to see if our tents are actually sleepable.
Shh. There's no bear. Dude, what if there's a bear?
What if there's a bear?
I heard a squeal come from that direction. In the dark, mysterious forests.
Is you.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Oh no!
This one is open.
That's not
We are
good.
so dumb.
Oh, but it's pretty good.
No, it's not.
Oh, look, my helmet.
Such a fucking idiot. He's so fucking stupid. This is why I got the steel toes.
Why is it so wet, cunt?
It was raining, Mason.
He's doing that with Gucci shoes.
Where are your Gucci shoes, cunt?
I lit them on fire because I'm a fucking pyromaniac. Wait, boys, we're camping. It's a fucking good time with the boys. I'm stepping in mud and shit. What the fuck? It's so soggy. I'll get this again. Hey, boys, we're camping, yeah? It's a bit muddy, but that's alright, because we're camping. What the fuck? It's so wet and muddy. Alright, boys, we're out here camping. It's a good time. I fucking smell him. There's no animal carcass, bro.
Mason, pick up your ciggy butt. We're supposed to be saving the world.
We're not saving the world, bro. It's destroyed.
Don't be like Mason. Save the world.
What do you mean, what?
Alright, I turned the camera off.
Hey, buddy. You're sleeping in the van? I'm gonna throw up. You're gonna throw up? It's fine. I got my ASMR. I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah, you want to see the one I just downloaded?
Yeah, I'll check it out.
So basically, it's this black guy who is pretending to be a general of an army.
Are you actually watching that?
And he just tells you what's about to happen.
Good evening, everybody.
That's ASMR, he's so loud.
I know. That's one of the problems. But listen, I mean, you watch it for the plot sometimes.
Yeah.
Right? So I'll be listening to this all night. Good night. Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Night.
G'day, mate.
Off we go.
Ready for lunch, boys?
I'm hungover as fuck.
Suckers enjoyed the wet marsh as well. I was on a nice warm couch.
We slept great. Man. Close the door. I mean, that's kind of cute. Fucking morning traffic, dude, honestly. We got places to be!
Hey, Peter!
It's soft too. Yeah, we chilling out here.
I can't believe you spent all night in that tent, Carson. You really stuck it out.
It's a nice breath of fresh air out there.
A short breath for you.
A short breath, but a breath nonetheless.
That itself is shaped fine. So glad we did this.
If you beat your meat, it like saves you from cancer or whatever.
Really?
Yeah, you can roast it too much. Yeah, beat your fucking meat.
I don't think I have, and like, I'm doing it right now.
Oh, hell yeah.
I got really wide. I didn't think it sounded so real.
What do you need tissue for, right?
Nose.
Tissue's the best for jerking off.
Hey, shut up, man.
Yeah.
We're not talking about jerking off, masturbating, or
Boobies.
boobies.
That wasn't it. You gotta get a really good one.
That was pretty. Was that clean?
Nah, it could have been.
Oh no, maybe one more. One more.
Oh, that one was clean. That was
Yeah. Protect and conserve. Environmental soldiers. Doesn't need much water to grow.
Well, that's good. This might not be our strong suit.
What? Landscaping?
Education.
Can you pronounce my tree for me? I don't know how to read.
Callistemon endeavor.
Man, he
you're
got
with
big.
me.
Hey. Cheers.
Yeah, let's them on Endeavours.
Yeah, it was so lit.
We got 2 Backhausia citriadoras. We're saving the world, 1 tree at a time.
I'm gonna work on it as I plant them. I'll name each one.
Yeah?
This one will be named Grog.
Oh, I like that one.
This one will be named...
Speaking of grog, do we have any... I'm thirsty. Surely there's a drink laying around, right? I'm not joking. I want to get drunk again. I'll be back.
Dude, why can't we just do this in a video game?
What if we dig into some fucking burial ground and the entire forest just bursts into flames?
Yeah, he's talking about some shit. He's talking about some real stupid shit. You need to get this off camera right now.
Mason, I've never heard someone complain more in my life than you, bro. We're saving nature and shit, man.
Yeah, but like,
You want a drink?
no, I don't.
Nature is lit, man.
Mr. Beast is a dumbass. You know that?
Yeah.
It's just like a...
I'd say, hey, Mr. Beast, see my Australian beauty right here? You see my Australian beauty?
I'm trying to save the planet.
Suck my
Stop.
Australian beauty.
I'm trying to save the planet. Please. That's a fat fucking shit.
Oh, that's cold.
Oh, that was dangerous. Kangaroos, boys. Shh.
Oh, fuck.
Kangaroos.
Are there actually?
Yeah.
I can't
Get over
see
there.
it.
Get off. They fucked off.
Take the
fucked off.
Oh, watch out. There's barbed wire here.
I told you we were on a burial ground, bro. We're fucked.
It's not safe out here. As you can tell, we are not alone in these fields. There is a scary knight patrolling.
How are we supposed to plant these things?
With the shovel.
No, he's
But it doesn't need to be wet and shit.
Alright, I'm gonna grab one.
So everyone grab your plants, bring your plants, everyone grab their plants. No, too close. You want them to grow. You don't want to plant it next to another tree. Spread them out, bro.
We are. Do you see how much this? What do you mean spread them out?
Spread them out, man.
Nice one, Swag. Great work. Keep it up. Hey, good job. Hey, nice one. Looking good. Thank you. Keep it up. Wow, that's quite a hole. What for? That's 1 tree down.
That looks so good. I'm contributing. Is that good enough?
Wait, did you take it out of the pot?
Carson.
Oh, yeah.
I've planted trees before.
Have you?
Yeah, I have.
Before?
Kindergarten and shit. I planted this. I fucking planted this, cunt. This is my contribution to society. Get fucked, all you cunts who don't do shit for society. This is my contribution. Fuck you. Is that gonna get demonetized?
Absolutely.
There's a hole and no one put it in the ground.
It's close enough. It'll find its way in.
How much do those shoes cost, Bucks?
I don't know, maybe like $1,000.
You know how much these were, Bucks?
How much?
$80.
Yeah, I asked if I could wear them yesterday.
Do you want to wear them?
Yeah.
Can we switch?
Plant a tree, that's what I hope you do.
I'm working on it. I don't have a shovel though.
Are you gonna plant one of those?
Yeah.
Think this is deep enough?
That's fucking pathetic.
Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck is that, Carson? Can you look at this? Can we have a look at this? Can you tell me what that is?
TEAMTREES.org. Go donate.
Now, I take this job very seriously.
Alright.
Are you sure you're size 13?
I fuck with Bucks and the steel toes. Look at that.
You gotta take a shit on them though to fertilize it.
Yeah, alright.
No.
That's about right. I'll get the bum.
So that looks absurd watching.
Is he okay up there?
What's he doing?
He's a confused old man.
Where's he? What's he doing?
He's hopping the fence.
What's he doing that for?
Flat! Help me! I'm coming! You good?
Yes!
No! Fuck! It's right in the. Is that electric? Can we turn this on? How do we activate it?
Why would you want to activate it?
It'll be funny.
No, it won't.
Get the bone meal ready.
Yeah. Hold on, let's just.
Oh, gross.
Well, you gotta make it into bone meal first. Put it in your inventory.
No!
All right, keep chopping. It's almost there. Perfect.
Oh, it's marrow.
Dude, I saw Bear Grylls like eat some of that shit.
All right. It's not working.
It's a necklace. Dude, it's gonna go so well.
Where's the fucking tree?
It's there, you dumb dog.
Are you dumb?
Oh no. Dumb dog.
Oh no. Why is he naked?
What the fuck, Chad?
What the fuck?
It's Bigfoot!
It's Bigfoot! Chase it! Chase it! Get back here!
I'm the mayor. Congratulations on this great tree planting.
Thank you, Mayor. It's a pleasure to be here. Girl, thank you so much. Cheers.
They can take our lives, but they can never take our trees!
Yeah! He's so right. I vote for him.
Yeah.
Is he running?
I don't know.
Where all the alcohol go?
Yes. Is there a spotter in my hair? I can feel it. Is it an ant or a spotter?
There's an ant on your head.
It's in your hair, bro. Put it inside your hair. It's in your hair. Still in there? It lives there now.
Right.
Was it crawling out? Come on, bro. We're friends, man. Oh, Carson hates it. Hey, Carson. Carson. Ah, hit me! Ah, hit me! Ah! It's a fire ant! It burns! Oh, it's a fire ant! Ah! Ah!
Packing up. We're heading home. We got our best man on the job.
Holy shit.
I thought that was gonna deflect off the tent and run straight into Noah's face. That could have just like,
I mean,
Could have killed Noah.
Noah could have had an arrow through his fucking sunglasses.
He didn't, so...
let's go home. I'm ready to leave. I've seen everything. All right, now clip that.
Same.
What's that?
We've seen too much.
I'm ready to leave. I've seen everything. Okay, clip that, clip that. I'm sick and tired of all of this bullshit. And that's the, you'll see like a yellow thing come up beneath me. And then they'll reply to all of my tweets with it constantly. Because they're like, oh, I'm so fed up with these tweets. Oh, I just can't stand this.
This is being cleaned up, by the way. We're recycling. You know, we have employees taking care of it. Oh yeah, Carson, we'll clean him up as well. Carson's on the job.
Can you put this back in the blankets, all these bottles?
He's good.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Carson.
See you, mate.
Nice life.
He's staying in the bush.
Is he staying here?
Staying forever.
What? Why?
People may have to get out and push.
We'll be fine. We are stuck.
No, it's not.
Yeah, we are bogged.
Alright, we need 3 strong men to go out and push.
2, 1,
go!
Reverse, slowly.
As hard as you can. 3, 2, 1, push!
3, 2, 1.
Yes, yes, yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh yeah, boys! Yeah!
Let's go home!
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Anyone in there want a beer? That did not just happen. That did not just happen.
Oh.
Fuck! Ah! How did that happen? I was grabbing the bottles and I dropped one and it smashed in my hand. It's a whole bottle of whiskey. That sucks! I'm gonna shower real quick. I'm canceling Uber. I can't open the Uber. It's fine like this.
He'll judge you so hard. Look at this fucking drunk.
Literally, I just like picked them up and then one slipped and I like just pushed them together real quick and just fucking shattered. Ah, this glass all through my hand.
You have to tell the editor what to do.
That's when you transition.
Okay.
Just flick blood. Seasoning my steak, man. Okay, use your iron shower. Want a kiss?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Hey, man. I can't believe that happened. Whole weekend, not a scratch. Fucking hopping out of the van. I smashed 2 bottles together and cut my fucking finger open. That's so lit.
These faggots won't even go near the fire and get their beans, bro.